Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying system readiness. Check your M1 Mac OS version and install the ARM-compatible DisplayLink Manager. Once done, connect the dock or USB-C adapter to your Mac and plug the external display cable into the dock. You're doing this first because Mac OS requires the driver to be present before the display handshake completes reliably. Make sure System Preferences shows the display as connected before moving on, and keep admin credentials handy for driver approval. You now run the DisplayLink installer and immediately open System Preferences to approve the system extension under Security and Privacy. Mac OS blocks it until you click Allow. Once approved, restart your Mac to ensure the extension loads into the kernel space properly. After reboot, reconnect the dock so the manager can enumerate displays. Then open Displays to arrange, set scaling, and choose a primary display. This step ensures window placement and resolution behave as you expect when using multiple monitors. You finish by validating everything: play video, move windows, and confirm USB devices through the dock. If you encounter a blank screen, first unplug the dock, reboot the Mac, and reconnect. This often re-establishes the DisplayLink handshake. Make sure the DisplayLink Manager is allowed in Security and Privacy and kept current because updates fix compatibility with Mac OS security changes. Finally, if issues persist, try a different cable or port to isolate faulty hardware before digging deeper into.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.